Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ang workout ko is shooting and game like shots. Start ako sa warm up with staggered stance, pound to hop, 5 each side. Next is off the cross step. First is push out to cross step pull up. So ang focus dito sa drill na to is paano mo mai-establish yung feet at the same time yung pick up mo ma-maintain mo sa harap ng hip mo. So yan, nakikita nyo sa video na timing yung pag-set ng paa ko, pag pick up, tapos pag angat. Next is crossover, same thing, between the legs. So I'm using anchor step in this video. And then my favorite, speed stop to pull up. So, ang ginamit ko dito sa speed stop pull up is hop. Kasi mas na-generate ko yung power ko at timing sa shots ko. It depends naman sa ano eh. Depends naman. Minsan, pwede, naka-plant sa ground pa lang yung paa nyo, kaya nyo tumira. But it takes practice para ma-master. So, next is 2 dribble pull up. 2 each side. So dito naman ang pinapractice ko is mga different stops of the dribble. Ayan, first ko is punch, dribble, then pull up. So gamit ko is in and out to drive. In and out, punch, dribble, pull up. Next is cross and then snatch with the cross. Sensya na kay kuyang nagmamap. Kasama siya sa highlights. Then I do combinations. Cross between. And then snatch between. Like Jason Tatum, cash. Jason Tatum, cash. Behind the back, speed stop, snatch, pull up. Workout's done, so I have to hit free throws. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Sabay-sabay tayo gumaling. Peace!